Having fun, Peck? Hey, Peck. I gotta do this for the for my employee. Let me know when you gotta do the pump down.
Don't bump them down.
You don't pump them down? Why not?
Huh?
Why not?
Unless you're gonna run it again if you buy it.
That's true. On the roof hatch.
The compressors are running really good on this actually.
That's true.
Hey Joe.
Yeah.
See if these fans work.
Oh, they work. Roof hatch. All the lights work. Speakers, got radio, needs some seat covers. Oh, that buzzer don't work. Does this back buzzer work? Yep. Got a couple lenses back here we could use. We probably could screw a couple lenses on and then get her home. No seatbelts though, that's gonna be a bitch. I'll go out here, rev it up a little. Oh, damn it! I used my thing. I used my crossing thing when we're driving. Just pump the brake. Just one more, a couple more times. Good. Thank you, Chris.